Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make mini gummy bears. First, gather your ingredients: unflavored gelatin, a packet of flavored gelatin, 1/4 cup of cold water, and 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. You'll also need a silicone mini gummy bear mold and a small dropper. Ensure your workspace is clean and all tools are ready before you begin the fun process of making these tiny treats. Now, let's prepare the gummy mixture. In a small saucepan, combine 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin with 1/4 cup of cold water. Let this mixture sit for about 5 minutes, allowing the gelatin to bloom and thicken. Then, place the saucepan over low heat, stirring gently until the gelatin is completely dissolved and the mixture is clear. Be careful not to boil it, as this can affect the texture. Next, it's time to add the flavor and color. Stir in 1 packet of your chosen flavored gelatin and 2 tablespoons of corn syrup into the warm mixture. Continue stirring until the flavored gelatin is completely dissolved and the color is uniform. Once mixed, use a dropper to carefully fill each cavity of your mini gummy bear mold. Work quickly, as the mixture will start to set as it cools. Finally, for the last step, place your filled molds into the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. This chilling time allows the gummy bears to fully set and become firm. Once they are firm, gently pop each mini gummy bear out of its silicone mold. They should release easily, revealing your adorable homemade treats. Check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious mini gummy bears.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.